singing at a funeral tomorrow for a kid a year older than me. I've been talking to his dad. Makes me so sad when I think too much about it. I can't breathe. I have this dream where I'm screaming underwater while my friends are waving from the shore. I don't need you to tell me what that means. I don't believe in that stuff anymore. Jesus Christ, I'm so blue all the time, and that's just how I feel. I always have and I always will. I always have and always will. I have a friend I call when I've bored myself to tears, and we talk until we think we might just kill ourselves. Then we laugh until it disappears. And last night I blacked out in my car, and I woke up in my childhood bed, wishing I was someone else, feeling sorry for myself when I remembered someone's kid is dead. Jesus Christ, I'm so blue all the time, and that's just how I feel. I always have and I always will. I always have and always will. And it's 4 a.m. again, and I'm doing nothing again.
Ikaw ay sandigang matibay, O Diyos.
Sandigang matibay ang iyong pangako.
ikaw ay tapat. Sa'yo ang papuri at pasasalamat sa dalamhati at sa kabiguan, sa pagluha ng pusong nasugatan, sa pagsubok na iyong pinahintulutan. Salamat, Panginoon.